Looks like someone's cooking in my kitchen. And I got the camera here. Must be me. My name is Vince Castelli. And I've got a very special guest here with me today. His name is Leonardo Capicone. Come on, show yourself. Forget about it.
Forget about it. Forget about it.
Hey, that's how we do it here in my kitchen. You already know.
We're here in New Jersey, live before a studio audience.
So what are we cooking today?
Today, we're gonna be cooking cowboy dinner.
Oh, I see it right here. We got the fucking rogies. We're just showing them how to cook the cowboy dinner. So usually we'll start off with the onions, right? It's good to be ahead of things in this kitchen, you know? How many are we thinking here? Like dumping half the bag? We don't count neither. We don't measure nothing.
You never count.
You just go with what you think. I think about 2 more. That was 3.
The important thing is not to count. And don't go to school either. Just do what we tell you on this show.
Exactly. We got the beans, because what's a cowboy without his beans, right? Heinz. Hey, look at this. I cannot do this.
Now I'm taking these onions over to the pan here.
I'm struggling with this can of beans, Joe.
Red pepper.
How do the cowboys do it? Oh, he's seasoning it up in here. With our bean sponsor for the day, Heinz. You already know. Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Eat 2 cans of beans in the morning. Eat 2 cans of beans at night.
Just remember, kids.
Always choose beans. That's a double dose of beans right there. We got a protein. We got our carbs. Sit down with a coffee, you know.
Not to mention our coffee sponsor of today, Colombian coffee, brewed right here in New Jersey. It's not what your parents tell you, it's what we tell you.
You already know. Not in this house. Forget about it. Already know.
Forget about it.
So what he's doing here, he's putting some butter in. I'm walking here.
He's walking here.
I'm walking here.
I'm walking.
Stay away from that hot stuff, kids. We brought out the cheese, but we decided not to use it. Because I'm walking here. Ain't no stinkers in my house. And nobody heard me break cat today.
No, because we're gonna cut that out with video editing. I dabbled a bit back in college. But forget about it.
Forget about it. Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Oi, forget about it. Never forget about what you're cooking. But you know what? Forget about it. Let's just forget about it. Forget about it. Hey, forget about it. Now, the rogies are about to meet the onions. And boom, that's how the chef does it. He's better than the cowboys. Forget about everything you know about cooking.
What do you think about listening to your parents?
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
You listen to us.
School?
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Work?
Forget about it.
All you need to do is watch this show. You're gonna learn everything you need to know, and then you're gonna forget about it. Now that's starting to look pretty scrumptious, I might say.
Now folks, we were gonna prepare some hash browns tonight to go with our cowboy dinner.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Whiskey sponsor, Jameson, the whiskey. But even though we forget about it, you can't forget about it. Can't forget about the main course. Pickleback. Now I'm about to forget about everything.
And that pretty much concludes our session of Cooking with Vince and Leo.
Come back. Don't forget about it. Don't forget about it.